Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video we want to find the value of this expression. 5 divided by 1 over 5 then times 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. In this expression we have one division and one multiplication. As I know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then this multiplication. 5 divided by 1 over 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so we can write 5 times just 5 and again times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 equals 25. So 25 times 5, which equals 125. So our final answer to this problem is just 125.